electronics has evolved, plastics has become a concern, plastics needs to be recycled, plastics is becoming what some people may consider focus material. We don't want to landfill plastics because that's not a recycling solution. We want to repurpose plastics, and that's what CompuCycle is committed to doing.
We are all about continuous improvement. We know that we can consistently improve our services for our corporations, but most importantly, we really are on the cutting edge with having now the processing facility as well as the plastics plant.
November of 2023 is when our plastics plant went live processing shredded plastics. The shredded plastics is separated into 4 plastics: polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene, and ABS plastics. We now have our float sink system where we wash and we separate the plastics.
So first step is we take the material, we put it into a tipper. It raises up about 15 or so feet. It gets shredded and downsized into a much smaller particle size. The first processing step after shredding is it goes over a magnet. So any ferrous metallic debris is removed. Then it goes into its first tank, and from there we separate out any kind of heavy versus the reusable plastics. It's a 3-tank system in total, so from there they go to the end of their life. And finally, then the reusable plastic, the PPPE will float and be separated out, and the ABS-PS will sink. Those items go through dryers, and they are dried into flakes and put into boxes.
And so with being able to clean these plastics and to be able to separate these plastics, we can go now directly to OEMs. It's so exciting that CompuCycle has taken this initiative to create this plant for us to be able to be on the forefront of that and to be able to, not only serve our customers. I have to be nice to competitors now. We want to be able to serve our competitors and be able to be that solution for e-plastic that can really make a difference for our environment.
Really, our goal is to be able to recycle plastics for domestic consumption, and we've achieved that goal. So we're very proud that we have a system that's working. We have a partner like SSI that has helped us put in a shredder that can truly process the plastics as is needed for our specific application. So it's wonderful that we can do this, and it's just an added value to using CompuCycle, but also to the environment to ensure that we're not landfilling the plastics and we can actually reuse them.